Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start at home, open your Evisa email and save the PDF to your phone. Also print a copy, because airport agents sometimes prefer paper. Once done, place your passport and boarding pass together so you don't fumble at the counter. Make sure your passport has at least 6 months validity and that your Evisa name exactly matches the passport. This avoids delays. Keep hotel address and contact details ready. Immigration officers often ask for where you will stay. When you reach the airport, follow signage to the correct lane, E-gates for eligible passports, otherwise the non-EU/visitor lane. Hand your passport and the e-visa to the officer promptly. State your purpose and length of stay clearly. Officers check name, passport number, and entry validity, so show the printout if the mobile screen isn't clear. If biometric capture is required, follow their instructions calmly. This usually takes seconds, but speeds up processing. Keep replies short and factual to avoid unnecessary questioning. After clearance, check your passport stamp immediately. Confirm the entry date and permitted stay. Keep the e-visa copy with your documents. Once you pass immigration, follow signs to baggage and customs, declare items if required. If an officer flags an issue or denies entry, ask for the written reason and a supervisor, remain polite, and contact your embassy or the visa issuing authority next. For lost or unreadable e-visas, show airline boarding records and request time to retrieve a digital copy or printed backup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.